So I'm going to show you yet another grease trap that is absolutely out of control. Look at that. That's on your roof, building owner, property manager. It's time to get it fixed. Commercial Roofs of Texas, Roofsaver or Roofsaver Plus are designed to help you avoid these kind of damages done to your roof system. Give us a call today. We'll get someone to take a look at your roof and we'll get you started on either the Roofsaver or the Roofsaver Plus. Don't let this be your roof. This roof isn't old enough to be in the condition it is. The building owner is not getting the return on investment that they should get. Again, be cautious about who you let on your roof and then maintain it. If you don't, you're going to be buying a new one a lot sooner than you anticipated. Call Commercial Roofs of Texas today and talk to us about Roofsaver or Roofsaver Plus.